Hi, welcome to my eclectic channel. I'm Agnes and I make videos for fun. And today we're roasting chestnuts. Now, not just any chestnuts. First of all, they're fresh. And second, they are going to be easy to peel and moist inside. So to make these two things happen, there's a couple tricks. First trick is to soak them in water before we roast, and the second trick will come later on, where when they're done baking you put them in a paper bag and you let them steam for another few minutes. So let's get started. So the first step is the most painful one, and that is to score the chestnuts. So you probably already know that one, or you've seen when you buy chestnuts, you've seen them done this way. You gotta cut like big crosses across them. And the best tool to do that is probably a really sharp chef's knife, which I don't have. So the second best tool is a paring knife, nice and pointy. You gotta be a little careful, but I just stab my chestnuts and then cut. Do it again. Do it again. And one last time. So they're all done. Nice and scored. So now the next step is easy. You put them under cold water and we'll let them sit like that for an hour. It's been about an hour. I'm preheating my oven at 425 degrees. So I'm going to go ahead and drain those. And they'll go in. I tried to, I did a batch before this, and it took a really long time. And so I think for the second batch what I'll try is I'll put them lower in my oven, like closer to the heating unit. And I don't know yet how long it's going to take. They say start with 20 minutes and check. This took about 30 minutes, but they're ready. So the next step is to put them in a paper bag. And I'll close this up and let it sit for about 15 minutes. Alright, it's been 15 minutes. Smells really good. They're still warm. And here they are. Nice and moist on the inside, and yeah, quite easy to peel. So these, the outer peel is coming off. The inner peel is not coming off. I read that this was partly dependent on the kind of chestnuts. The Chinese chestnuts being famously difficult in that respect. And I got these at the Korean store, Korean grocery store, so it's quite possible that they're Chinese chestnuts. Or maybe Korean, but same part of the similar part of the world. So I could insist and I could try to get the outer peel off, but I have found that actually it doesn't taste bad. It doesn't even feel bad. It gives a little crunchiness on the outside. I know it might sound a little gross, but no, it tastes really good. And I'm sure it's quite nutritious. Like, I can imagine that it probably has some fibers. Oh my god, it's so good. I love chestnuts. But yeah. Ready for Martha Stewart moment. And there you have it, perfectly roasted chestnuts. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like.